This is a brand new 2012 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Phil Long Ford at Chapel Hills is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1565 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs.